What was that?
Oh!
Hello everyone, welcome to WebSky TV. Stay alert, stay safe, watch carefully, learn something new, and share your experience and thoughts with us. He failed to check his clearance. Is this driver a fool? Unbelievable carelessness leading to a massive collision. Patience is a virtue this driver just doesn't have. Wait for the full load to pass, man. Truly a miracle this bird saved his life. Two cars meeting in the middle. That's one brutal way to clear the ice off your windshield, folks. Slow down on those winter roads. Is this driver totally blind or just a complete fool?
And I'm done.
Gone are the days when cops set to trail an offender for hours, hoping that pull over. Now a single nudge to the car, and it's game over. Thanks for watching WebSky TV. We hope these clips remind everyone to stay careful and alert on the roads. Stay safe, stay aware, and remember, one mistake can change everything. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.